Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kiki Necessary, and today we're doing a vlog. We're going to Ochi, and guess who is here? I'm not gonna believe who they're Jamaica. Hint hint. The Leslie is in Jamaica, but she they're somewhere now. I try lotion my foot while talking to me, so hold on, let me see if I can do this. Yes, so as I was saying, we're on our way to Ochi, but you see the cloud them like it's about to rain. I don't know what's up, but hopefully it doesn't. Yeah, so we're going to introduce everybody that's here on with me to go on this trip. Say hi.
Hi. Oh, this for the vlog?
Yes.
Yes.
Hi there.
Yes, bitch.
Get more closer.
Yes. So this is Mel.
Yeah, YouTube.
Yes.
Oh God,
This is Mel.
Man on YouTube look on me like that.
Man on YouTube, don't look on her like that. This is Mel. And I already know Swag from the last vlog.
About to fuck shit up.
And everybody else inside the house for now. But we already made some stop and buy snacks and water, okay, you know, we have to hydrate the body.
And Rasta have to drink good, cause
Lifespan.
see this?
You have to span the life.
Span the wood life, you know?
Oh my god.
Never gonna bleep out that still, but
Me not bleep it out, me.
yo, raw and uncut. Live from Kingston. Yeah.
Yeah, so we're on our way to go to Ochi Rios. I know how to pronounce it, I'm just saying Rios.
Where I got fired?
Yeah, cause we have to carry a passport and we have to have visa for that Ochi.
I live in Jamaica, yes, but I'm not there Jamaica, no, I'm there Ochi. I'm there Ochi.
But sorry for all that visa.
I know, right? Some people not have no visa, so they couldn't come and find out way.
They gonna jump border. Rockstar! Catch the embassy, my boss. Roll out.
Yes.
Them soon bust my boss.
I tell you.
I'm mad thing. Then you know so
We need to go dirt adventures.
Yes, that's the next trip.
I think I want to do that mountain.
You know,
next mountain.
It's about how long now?
How long I know?
You know, so we can't tell when last we sleep for a weekend at my hand.
True, me neither. From August, me not spend no weekend at my house.
Wow, what's going on? Why am I in Kingston so often?
Because people, they are Kingston for you. Come look for. I'm in Kingston, bro. What you mean?
Of course.
Oh.
Family. Oh, we say family. We
living our best life.
Ain't got time for none of you bitches.
We're living our best life.
You know what I mean? I we say broke and bossy.
Me I tell you.
Yeah, but my bills them pay.
Me I tell you.
What about, oh, I forgot to say you can't say them things around me. The Mel is very well endowed.
Me I tell you, as she well rich. And we are the broke people, and she are the rich people.
You want to see the guy when I give you a while ago like just a bitch?
Bitch, I'm not broke.
I have my money.
Oh, that's that nasty.
Fully endowed, yeah?
See the money, this one, I've got money. Look what I got now. Money, you see? Put the money bag. Money bag. And money bag that.
But that's stocks.
And money bag.
3 buckle of NSC and 2 patrol. Racks on racks on racks.
See, all the way eat snacks, Subway she go.
Yes,
Subway.
People, and water me a drink. For sure you're serious. One big buckle of lifespan and mama beat off Subway over here.
Subway. And we have to go gas station and go buy snacks.
You understand?
Who has the money? Mel? Mel, who has the money?
I never cash you as a card.
I say nothing but black.
Yeah, gonna catch it dimples. Gonna catch it.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Yeah. So soon come back when everybody reach.
Yeah, we're fuck up.
Who that? Who is that? Just wanna look. Has she in her fucking phone all the time?
Huh?
Who is that?
I look good.
This is bipolar Chrissy.
Bipolar bitch. And everybody know me.
Exactly.
I'm not feeling away.
I'm gonna do. I mean, can do what they do.
Yeah, but on our way to Ochi now.
Bad bitch, my shoe, dog.
Yeah. So on the reach, I'll get back to you guys. Might eat Pringles. We are at our first stop. Gotta put on face.
It's not face, I'm just powdering cooling down. They did say no parking.
Yeah, why could they have free, man?
Okay.
Yeah, we just taking some stuff out.
We're just taking out our bags. Where now go? Oh, we call no, no done.
Yeah, come down to the
You could have played remote that time, I don't think
You know, I've never been. So we are at Mystic Mountain. You're taking the picture there, so?
I guess.
What's up with that?
No, I'm recording.
I don't know about Jamaica.
I'm coming back because I have bag in my hand. Yeah. So we're waiting. Hear the lightning? The thunder? Hear the thunder?
I'm stealing their pen. Oh my god, I'm such a fool.
So, I make my daughter pose.
I know you're leaving at 3 o'clock and you don't
My
want
love.
to refund, but I will be here. I'll be this. Yes, keep that. Listen, I told you before it started to rain.
Is there a bathroom in here?
At the end of the boardwalk over there now. I told it before it started raining.
I can number right there.
Yeah.
Yes, sure, on the right ahead.
Excuse me, love. Get that man.
When you come back, I go. Okay, so we're going to the restroom. So, because we all want to. A black toilet. At first, me I said that. Have you guys ever seen a blue? Oh, it's a pit.
Jesus Christ.
It's a pit. Yeah. The pit. That's the pit. I never dropped it in there. Yeah, they're all pits.
Let me see.
A pit.
Oh my god.
It's a pit.
I cannot use that. I can't use it. I'm scared shitless, you guys. Wanna see that fucking scary roll? That's all I want to see. 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 Why is not watching my phone? I'm afraid. Look like that. Big.
No, okay. Trust me. I expected it. You know what I in here to get this skirt? A gel thing I have. It's like it's not the move. You know how at the night when your hair dry out, it loses the curl? This curl. You know, say the curl I'm still in there?
Oh, no, yeah, but no. But then we have to see the
Nasty place.
I'm not shit nobody on.
I'm disappointed. I probably never know where to wash your hands.
I don't know.
How old are you today?
Yeah.
Rain, guys, we need to be mindful of this.
I cannot tell you the zip line now. I can only tell you the specs for the box.
So then, but then so we
Get a refund if we have to go.
The zip line is delayed for a bit. Hopefully by the time you get into the park, it's up and running again.
Okay.
I'll give you a refund if you don't get to it, but chances are you will.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
So.
Hi guys. Every man I tell we for have fun. Or the whole group of the whole house.
I'm not answer.
Fun stuff, right?
No entry, no see.
Oh my God, that is stuff.
You can't walk, just go through. So we are in the bushes of Ochi Rios. Yes. The beautiful mystic. Mountain. Let's see if I can get this map. Where's my phone?
After changing it, we went all the way in the boat. So this is the because of that side of the park, right? And when up ladies, you will start diving and you're going to jump. Yeah. No push my feet hard.
Right?
Yeah. Huh? Just checking. I don't know. So we did the bread. Huh? So we ready?
Yes, we are.
Ready? Alright, ladies, so what you're gonna do? Hold on, you gotta wait for your friend, don't you, bro? There you go now. So after that chair, after that one. Alright, go swing it up now to your friend. Hello.
No, you go hold on to the donation. Come put in your footprint. So for me. Let's see. We're gonna sit in the seat now.
Alright, drop it like it's that. Won't stop. Show me what you got. Oh my gosh, that's too hot.
Yes. So we in.
Please don't push Mr. Mushroom because I know you like to push against it.
Oh my fucking God.
Yeah, you're going to go aya.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
I did already.
Come to you.
Woo!
I'm there till I'm scared and you're judging.
I bet I'm going to go go. Cry to another year, be of like bitches.
Let's not cry.
No, this needs to snap.
No. No, I can't die in Jamaica.
You're not dying.
I can't.
You can't die in Jamaica.
Kill me. You don't even reach as high.
No, she's afraid of heights. Oh my God.
Too much. Look there.
Close your eyes.
No, look down.
It's so beautiful. You're going to see one nice scenery.
Weird. I want to look at your ear shit. I thought me. So, oh, you're afraid of heights and you already.
Put my hand in my camera so it not drop here. Huh?
Can you stop doing that?
Do you know what?
I'm just scared it fall. Please don't let it fall.
You're not falling. Two of them afraid of heights people and them come and mistake me.
Oh my God.
What?
This is Jamaica. Wood and water. Is it wood or
Look
wood?
at wood.
Jesus Christ, it's wood, and I was like wood and water. Well, technically.
Look at the view, guys.
Yeah, and them usually slow it down.
Take a picture. And then take a picture too. Here's story. You alright now?
Look over to your left. Yes.
The view of Jamaica, Ochi Rios, St. Anne's. Alright, so we're going up. Yeah.
Crazy. Don't take out your foot.
I guess you want her to shoot her slippers might drop off.
She take it off so much she hold it in her auntie. What's the point is drop out of my hand? Oh wait, wait, I go drop out your hand. Oh my God, I put what I'm feeling too. I get nervous.
Alright, so we can't bother for all this no more for so long because we have like probably 4 minutes of this ride left. So I'll come back to y'all when the ride almost done. I'm gonna eat my Doritos. We're almost there. We're on pause. But I like that something here, you know, they better move me quick. Me start screaming out.
Yeah, it's white stuff.
So long.
Well, we can stay here and chill together.
Not a backside, not on this cable. We feel like me I'll go drop down. You feel it I'll go up and down? So we're here. Okay. Why am I so zoomed in? Let me see, I'll open up in the morning. Yeah, so we're going ziplining now. Yeah. So
I'm not trying to die. Who thought it was a great idea for me to try and do this?
sorry?
Oh. Crazy. What is this? I got you.
Sign already. Sign already. Sign first. Where can I put this? You should sign already. I'm going to put it. Take off the shoes.
So yeah, what's up to I?
He did the same thing to me. I was like, how am I supposed to get my... See, he did the... I'm like, what?
And you can write them on way. Because the Junior send down clean back, Junior now come back up on it.
So we leave our bags right there.
Man, you get it back out.
So we need to put on our phone or anything. Okay.
It feels so heavy.
Just kidding enough to bring that across.
I don't need to be split up because it's not going to fall from me.
I have our camera here.
Well, good for you.
You put on your phone in your bag? Yeah. My camera.
Let me get this way.
I'm going to take the
No, this is a choke. I guess we're just waiting on everybody. I'm going to take my camera thing. This is so
You ladies don't follow me, alright? Fully dressed one there on the bar. Hear that? Alright, let's go.
Who's next?
Follow the leader. You're taking your phone? You want to look at her bag?
Yeah. You can take your phone.
I'm not going to bring it. I'm not going to let my phone fall.
I have one something I bring camera.
As long as you have it from right straight.
Yeah.
Because we can afford to lose that Android shit. I want to pee. Why
You want pee again?
Yeah, I drink a lot of water. I must drink the 1 bottle for the 1 liter.
My foot feel that one is tight and that one is slack. I'm afraid of dog, you know. So we all here. We're going to, well, we signed up. So they have locked up.
Yeah, I did ask and he told me that they have locked up. Yeah.
So we're going zip line, eh?
Yeah. I can't wait to do it before. Oh, and you can do the slide. No, I'm not drone. I'm not trying to drone.
Jonah! Yeah, all the way down, all the way down.
Oh, I feel like I'm exercising and today is supposed to be
Them step is steep. Step is steep.
heavy step down.
Yeah.
It would be good to do jumping squats. Okay. Oh, fucking.
So you think you're doing?
What over there?
What you thought you were doing, Tracy?
What the fuck? It not go stuck in the middle or anything? Jesus Christ.
Make sure that I want something there. One GoPro. To put on my head top.
That's what you need.
Yeah.
My hair is cutting. There you go. First of all, y'all going before me. Woo! Okay, y'all need to video me.
Oh, chair. So no, y'all go before we know.
Yeah, because I want to get it over with.
So come.
But you don't need this shit, remember?
So come in front of me then. Come in front.
Wow.
You don't want it on this one.
It's gonna be like 4, you said?
Yeah.
Okay, leave it there.
So we're going over. So I'll get back to y'all. This is what we're doing actually.
Oh my God, I wish I had like...
My master just like me. Yeah, him there right there so. That's what we're doing. They're trying to scare us.
You guys want big old chocolate come and you want to know? Guys, please do not step on the balance. Pop up extra.
Yeah, because he was like, slow down, and he didn't tell me how to slow down.
Yeah.
Oh my God. That was so good.
Yeah, you got insurance, but you have to walk over. And then it looked like, you know, the board them, one line, and when you walk, them going to shake you with the air. Yeah. Terrified. Yo, this was me on it for a good 10 minutes.
Oh, you put it in a coconut.
So what's the problem? What's that shoe?
No, because it's strap up. It's not gonna fall. It's strap up.
And then you see them
Shoes, yeah.
Probably missed it.
the music.
It's strap up, man. Maybe because it's strap up. Maybe. Man, wicked. Come here, say, oh, you slow it down. You must slow down, slow down. I said, oh, fuck, you slow this down. Why not lick me?
As in the thing, lick you.
Yeah, as in, but he must say, slow it down, like it's something.
That's what the thing they do when I put it on in my oil car. I'm like, oh my God.
Why you so mad? Come on.
I mean, put it because me shit when I look good. So I try it back.
No.
Our protection, my girl, it's not for look good.
Let me see myself. Look at that. I'm like a.
It's for protection, not to look good.
I'm like a cook. I'm cooking, guys. What y'all want?
Alright, so we're waiting on the other line, so I guess I can show you guys the view when I go up the next one because I understand how it is.
But you
That's
have
very
to
calm.
unless you're going to.
No, one at a time I want and me have a hold on. This be screaming.
The highest one. It's gonna be so much fun. Like the highest and the longest one.
Mosquito bite me. To the monkey land. So I'll come up to you guys soon.
All I was thinking about is phone don't fall.
Tracy a peepee in the bush people. Look at him. He got peepee in the bush. And Chrissy gonna follow.
If you're not Jamaican.
Huh? No matter what it's in.
You're on the box.
Yeah, come on, Ref! Come on, yo, Jason, do it, man.
Jason!
So you lock me up on your sofa? No, you lock me up. Oh, yes, sir.
Man. Here we are going. Come here, yes, over there.
I'm afraid now.
Do it.
She's afraid. You're the man I wanna go. You're the man I wanna go. Come back. I'm like, oh fuck no, I know this is a trick.
Come.
Oh, you bringing me first? Why you
Head over and head over.
No!
And the boy.
Oh, you're sending me over first? Say hi.
Hey, what's up? You good?
Yes.
Where is she from?
Come home.
Charles!
From the zoo.
No! Hey, it's not going before me, you know.
Wait, no, wait.
Where do you walk?
Ready?
No, he ain't.
She said send her back.
We're not expecting me no more. Let me get you sooner now.
Yeah, me J.
So him lock me on this for. Why they love lock me on?
Come on.
Why them lock me on?
Yeah, more on Jamaica chain.
You want a Jamaica chain? You can buy one for $2,500.
I wanna sell them.
Yes.
Are you a vlogger?
Yes, I am.
Oh my God. I'm tired.
We're here. We're waiting in the line. Like seriously waiting. Mosquito up here, so no bring a repellent on now come. Really? They must love my blood. So I'm gonna bring on a repellent when I'm not coming. If I'm not coming, so Mystic Mountain. Yeah.
Straight out the jungle. There's re-rap, no mambo. Yeah. You know what's up, bro. Straight what he said, bro.
You can't trick me.
You wanna see something cool?
No.
I used to come up, sir.
Let me see. Don't.
Like, trust me, I'm on the pills. This should work, alright? No, listen, relax. I'm on the pills. I popped the Xanax. You wanna see something cool? What are you going to do? No! Listen, Linda. Listen, Linda. Listen, you just hold on to my wrist. This is not a happy place, okay?
You're afraid of heights.
Yo, I'm just sorry.
You know, I'm so fucking poor. They can't feel me.
See me there?
What the fuck am I doing? I'm gonna enjoy this one. I'm going to enjoy it because I'm going to. But you're going to be vlogging, so you're not going to enjoy it. So you mean I'm not going to enjoy it? You can't relax and just enjoy it. I'm going to enjoy it.
If it is even worth anything. Oh.
There's what's sliding down there.
It does better if you don't understand.
Oh, she's away.
Somebody go.
I'm hungry. Can I go next? No.
Next year, sir. But I'm back on line.
Line? You know what's up?
Yeah. I'm back on line.
I'm trying to eat.
Tracy's got to go.
Don't scream now.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Circling back past leg, then
No. Yeah, yes, the man just go, so you're able to go. Really? She screams like a bitch.
I can't understand. How are you going to...
She's not. Exactly.
All four?
This is fine?
Yep.
Nah, pretty.
Took my phone.
Is this the last leg? Yeah, man. Oh, thank God. But yeah, talk about him.
Exactly.
I'm taking my phone. I ain't trying to lose this.
You ready?
No, I'm not. But...
Hold on. What's
Wait,
going on right here?
look
Hold on,
on
hold
to
on,
she.
hold on.
Hello,
Hey,
sir.
let me see something very important right here. Let me see something very important. You work here? No? So we have to miss nothing.
Listen to me, sir. Don't hold me to this. You know, sir.
I first met you. Stop playing with
first
me.
asked me for the tour.
No, the first.
Come on, watch it.
Right, let me turn my camera. I'm ready.
Yeah.
Yes.
All time is tomorrow, them can't change it. Tomorrow, shit.
No, wait,
never used to do the bike thing. Oh, brother? You never used to do the dirt bike thing. Tell them choose something to back down.
Dirt bike, you can go dirt bike adventures or Yaman. That's in St. Mary's side.
Dirt bike, they're right down the road down this.
Yeah, and
here. Right over there. Or you can go Chakaco. Get closer.
Which one of them?
Racing.
Which one of them run better?
Racing.
I'm gonna pass that.
You ready?
almost come down.
If you want.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes.
So we're vlogging.
Huh? KK necessary. Where am I?
Repeat.
KK necessary.
KK.
KK.
Oh, KK. Yes. Necessary.
Okay, how do I do it? Let's forget it. Put it back. Don't redo that. You see it? He's going to share it. He's going to share it.
Redo that. Redo that a while ago. Let's put it back on your TikTok.
No, you don't need it.
Like you are police call at me. Take over them bugs. Put them over.
Hi guys, so we're done with the planning and we're going to have
No, like, what's the name?
Hello.
We're dining or we're just in the food. We can't bring food by the pool. Okay, there's a table down there.
Promise.
So you want to sit at the table down there and let's start eating. I love birds. Hello. Okay. We can get it by the side. Okay.
That's what we made. If you all could bring it down. Alright. You want your chicken? You want upstairs?
Yeah, I want upstairs.
What do you want?
Coconut cream, jerky.
What you talking about jerk the whole time coming out?
Yeah, but my girl.
We got food, guys. Disappointing food. Don't eat food up here. No, it's you don't smell it. You don't smell it. Smell this.
Jerk different.
Smell this.
No, in the if I eat, if you don't want it, me
May I eat it?
blood clot, then you know some people, me trust me, raw and cooked, half cooked.
Smell it. Exactly. Axel, now they have a smell.
When you lean back like all the way, it's back.
So we're eating and then they're going to go in the water. I'm not.
Kevin! What's your fault against him? Daddy,
So we're heading over. So we're heading over.
what is it?
In shoes. She in her shoes all the time. You know, say you want to drop off here.
I'm telling you, man,
Because I'm fixing my shoe.
don't have any home training.
Why y'all be saying so mad?
I have no home training.
Yeah, so we're trying to go to White Rivers now after this. We're going heading to White Rivers to raft.
Hopefully they're not closed.
Yeah. Kind of like everywhere Ochi Love lock up by 5 o'clock.
Which is weird.
Yeah, if you know it's a tourist
It
place.
is very weird. It is very weird. I could understand 6, maybe the
Or
pool
8.
closing at 6. I could understand we close the pool off at 6. Why
I guess
you
they
close the
don't
pool
want
off
with
at
the
5?
over here in the darkness. Because they're not a light here, so really and truly.
Even
So
that
maybe
too.
that's why.
To think
Maybe,
outside
yeah.
the box.
Maybe that. Because any wild animal can come off in the dark, you know. Any wild anything can be here in the dark. So they don't want no swings. So probably that. Yeah. We're heading over. Tomorrow and Sunday.
I want more.
But I wonder when tomorrow is when.
Yes, Sunday.
Yeah. Going back seems better to me. It just feels nice. Going down. Going up don't feel this relaxing.
No bad in Spanish.
But you bad in bum bum.
No bad in Spanish.
Nobody in English.
Nobody in English. But you bad in bum bum. You bad in bum bum.
When organ in this new position you unleash. Cause you bad in bum. Why are show people underneath it?
You bad. My girl, what
Well, yeah, something there snap.
But me
That's what
wonder
she always doing
But me
now.
wonder why she show people underneath it.
You see me put show nobody under me and not for me underneath. You were ever blood clad naked on Snapchat. You see nobody you see that No bad in Spanish. Blood clot in a dress on Snapchat and you have the audacity for chat about. I'm sorry, you guys. Hello.
She's you capture some nice picture. I think this bring off my skin tone and bring off frizzy. I can't take it. Look there. You can't even cut it. It can't cut. It can't cut.
It cannot. Come on, my party night when me dance.
Well, silent it.
Oh, them I got ear when me sing.
Them not for ear.
So I just gonna look like Claffy the butterfly.
Nobody in Spanish. Nobody in English.
Yeah.
Look for me must know what you do over this time. I put my phone over this. If it start soak, I expect me not to start. Then argue, go over there, argue, go over and argue, come back. I swear. Watch out on them out.
I didn't fuck up my snap.
When we have this beautiful view, and they're just like. Second spot, Calypso rafting in the White River.
Oh my god. Fucking chicken. I'm so scared of chicken. The fucking shit will run you down. You see what my Anaya see Anaya in the pack every time they open your blood clot mouth.
It's the same way up on the vlog. Fucking get a beat. You see that smell? I cannot.
That never come out on me a while ago. All of those
Let's
words.
figure this out.
The girl.
Reception.
Serve.
Huh?
We're closing out there.
They're closed? Oh Jesus. What time do you close? What time do you close?
4.
Everybody that in a
Me I don't understand for your tourist destination or everything looks so quick.
So they're closed. We can go Portland, go raft. Yeah, and we're gonna stay up at Swag Yard. One day and when you gonna leave your hotel? Thursday. We can go Friday and stay at Portland.
Right that way.
I don't know. But suppose Thursday I check out. Thursday. No, wait. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, come have 3 nights when I'm not called for. Yeah, we can stay at Portland. Push, baby. What we're going to do now? We're going to go blue wall. Blue wall? We don't know. Probably blue wall or lock. Me I tell you, because I let every fucking thing lock. Yeah. Up on the road, we know how to go look food or something. I don't know if I food. No. Again, we're just not meat.
I pray now.
Tell you what. Blue or lock? Probably. After 5 now, you say watch your shit.
Hold on, nigga.
What box we in the grill. Them hours here. We tell you by the time we reach. Time for we left. Time for we left to come up back. Some of them people man. I'm looking at Ochi Town look a bit this. Man, every bit someone at Ochi right this. If you look for something real quick. You know across from the KFC that is a KFC. The Peerless and KFC and the after you pass out of the town. You know about the park, the Turtle River Park? Turtle River? Turtle River Park. Turtle River Park, yeah. Right at, you don't know where the KFC there, you see your place. The KFC near Turtle River Park? With right at the gas station? Yeah? Yeah, I'm saying, yeah, I was going to one store right there, so real quick. And then we can end back to Kingston. Which part do you come from?
Which? The beach in front of the sun.
The lock?
The beach?
Yeah.
No one knew that.
At the rafting, we really wanted to stand up and stop and get the picture. Man said we close. Yeah, said we close a long time now. I don't understand how everybody else closed so quick. Weird. Yeah. You can't do something at watch it then. Yeah, you have to come from well early. I never expect that. And somebody couldn't say, oh, they locked when we are coming and ask them
They
the
probably
rafting.
don't know themselves.
Well, I hear community.
Probably don't know themselves.
Anyways, that was a dub.
Android charger up there, sir?
Never iPhone charger. Yeah, me, no, I'm just saying, I have an iPhone charger.
Me just seen that push on my charger I give it earlier.
Yeah, my phone up on it. Check my phone and see if it.
How sure?
I just
The how much is percentage there? It's a charge? That's a charge? Is it there 20? It's not a charge. Is it there 20 before? No, I lie, a 15. Oh, okay. I don't know. It was on something. Alright, when we find something else to do, we'll start off now.
So, we're about to head to the grill.
Which place are we going to be?
And
bitches.
yeah, we vlogging right now.
Hello.
Bitch is crazy and craver. You know what I mean? Come here, so them fuck up Oxtail and all these things. And all we do, and they have giant cardboard. What is it the name? KFC. As my got on. BK to me thing, my boss. BK to me thing. BK to me thing. It looks so weird. Alright, so like I'm looking at the camera now. It look like me I look straight at the camera now?
It no matter which part I look. Look at me, man.
It just seems weird, like me I look up in the ear. Look on the KK.
Looking at them.
You're looking at yourself?
Yeah, I'm look up on the screen.
Exactly.
Looking at the lens then.
So I'm not looking at this.
That look like I look up on the screen.
See a way?
Yeah.
Islands me I looking at?
It's weird to talk.
It's so weird.
In the lens.
It's doctor. They look up in this.
Ice cream look on?
Yeah.
It can't shift. It only can go down.
It can go down now.
It can shift. Well,
Shift out.
like come forward.
It's been a good day. Alright, fuck this shit. Alright,